What if you could see exactly where billionaires are investing in 2026 before everyone else catches on? Because while most investors chase headlines and hype, the ultra-wealthy are quietly positioning themselves for the next wave of massive growth. And in this video, we're breaking down exactly where that smart money is going across stocks, real estate, and artificial intelligence, and how you can use the same strategy to stay ahead. Let's start with the stock market. Billionaires aren't just buying random companies, they're targeting long-term megatrends that are shaping the future of the global economy. One of the biggest areas they're focusing on is AI-driven technology. But interestingly, it's not just the popular names you hear about every day. A lot of smart money is flowing into the backbone of AI, companies involved in semiconductors, cloud computing, and data infrastructure. These are the businesses powering the entire AI revolution, and they have enormous growth potential over the next decade. At the same time, billionaires are also investing heavily in energy transition stocks, including companies tied to clean energy, electric vehicles, and battery technology. As governments and corporations push towards sustainability, these sectors are attracting massive capital. But it's not all high-risk growth. Many billionaires are also holding defensive dividend stocks that generate steady income, giving them stability even in uncertain markets. The strategy here is clear: balance aggressive growth with reliable cash flow. Now let's move to real estate, where things are evolving fast. Billionaires are no longer focused only on traditional residential properties. Instead, they're targeting assets that align with how the modern economy is changing. Industrial real estate, for example, has become incredibly valuable due to the rise of e-commerce. Warehouses, logistics hubs, and distribution centers are in high demand, and that trend is only growing. Another major area is data centers. As artificial intelligence and cloud computing expand, the need for data storage and processing power is exploding, making data centers some of the most profitable real estate investments today. On top of that, ultra-wealthy investors continue to buy luxury properties in prime global locations, not just for lifestyle, but as a long-term store of value.